Hi, third actor. A link was shared with you about a Welcome to Third Act for Working Groups short slideshow for new members that might be coming after Day of Action. This short demonstration will show how you can share this with your working group at your next call. So you can see I've got the presentation open in my browser, and I've got it open to the very first slide. And the first thing I want to do is I want to move this tab to a new window so it's by itself. So I'm going to come up here to my tabs, which unfortunately you can't see, and I'm going to right click and I'm going to move tab to a new window. And when I do that, you can see that I've got the slide deck in a window. It's the only tab in my browser. Before we go back to Zoom, you want to put this slide deck into slideshow mode. When you do that, watch what happens. I'm going to click on slideshow. And you can see the slideshow, but you can't get to other places on your computer easily. On a Mac, the way to do that is to use the Command tab. On a PC, it's Windows tab. And when I do Windows tab, watch what happens. And I can come back to myself in a Zoom meeting. I'm in my Zoom meeting. I decide I'm going to share this slide deck with everybody in the Zoom meeting. I click on Share Screen. I click on Share Sound because there's a video there. And then I click on the slide deck that's open in that window and click on Share. And you're sharing the slide deck. You can see that you're sharing sound. The down arrow will show you you're sharing the slide deck. That's what everybody else sees. And I can move the slide deck in the lower left to the next slide. And when it's over, I can stop sharing. Hope this helps.